Koljirar Haji Yunus Kakande omuhandiiki w'entuuro omu office ya president bakuru b'abakozi omu district okuruga kare koona bakaba bari ahansi ya office ya president mbwenu nibenda okubagaruzayo.
That was their parade. They had me and Grass started the film. He was in Mumbai, I think I was in Masaka, and then we moved back to the center. So that's what also we want, that these people should be under office of the president.
Ebigambibwa omu kiteerane ky'abahoezi b'abahandiiki b'entuura omu bitongore byona ekibiire aha Hoima Resort Hotel omu rurembo orwa Hoima.
You find most of these institutions which are supposed to be enforcing the laws are actually part of the problem. This is your parliament. Those people have legitimacy to come and ask me to come. I went into parliament, public accounts committee, I attacked them. They said, this man we shall show him. I said, you will show me nothing.
Hari amatsiko ngo eki kyaba kyakozirwe nikiija okucendeeza oburwenguzi n'ebituga ebyeyongiire.
CID, which is supposed to be investigating, also asking for money. How do you fight corruption with institutions which are supposed to be enforcing? The ones which are actually perpetuating it. So we need effective agencies to enforce the law. Continue.
Dr. Emmanuel Muganga, chairman w'ekigombe ekiri kugiyita Under Secretaries, akoriisa akagishaka okugamba aha mishashurire y'abashomesa ba arts na sciences etarikwingana.
Kubanga ebyenfuna byennyini tebirikola ki tebibadde tebitambula bulungi nga bwe kyali badde naye tukolagana wamu n'ekitongole ky'ebyensimbi okulaba nti ebikola ki bikolebwako.
Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.